Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nadia Strato and I specialize in creating stunning nail art designs. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok where I share different tutorials more often. Yes, I'm obsessed with ombre and today I'm going to show you how I create a stunning horizontal ombre using gel polishes with a little help from acrylic powder. If you missed my last video where we did ombre with cat eye effect using the same colors, make sure to check it out. First up, let's talk preparation. You'll need a lot of lint-free wipes for this technique. I find it cheaper to cut paper towels into small squares. Trust me, you're going to need plenty before you dip into any new color. It's crucial to have a clean brush, and that's why I use so much paper. Now let's apply our main color as a base on all 4 nails. While the surface is still wet, we carefully sprinkle on the acrylic powder. Both precision and concentration are key here to avoid smudging, otherwise you might end up redoing a lot of work. After the nails are fully cured, I start by brushing off the dust and then use alcohol to clean around the sidewalls, ensuring no particles are left behind. With an oval gel brush, I begin applying each color. I prefer to set them in a rounded shape near the cuticle area, but you can start straight if you find that easier to blend later. I work on all fingers at the same time to save a ton of time. Imagine doing this one nail at a time. Even charging $100 extra for the art wouldn't be enough. Once the first layer is done, it's time to send the hand to the lamp. Here comes the tricky part. To make the color look like it's painted under the skin, I use a thin brush to apply a thin line of the darkest shade close to the skin, gently pushing back the proximal nail fold first. I do this one nail at a time, with a flush cure in between, and only when all nails are done we can send for full cure. The second layer of color is applied in exactly the same way. Don't worry if you go over or come up short on distance, as long as the colors are in the same order. If you know me, you know how much I love everything that sparkles, and some of my clients do too. So why not add a top coat with yucca flakes for the mysterious finish? Isn't it gorgeous? And yes, I file my clients' nails at the end, the sides, the tip, and even underneath, especially if it is a square shape. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new today. Don't forget to show some love and like this video. See you in next one.